Hey everybody, and welcome back. If you're looking out to add animation to your WhatsApp stickers and you're bored of the plain sticker that does not show any animations, you will just follow up these steps and you should be getting the animations on your stickers. So let's just get started. Open up WhatsApp for that. And once you open up WhatsApp, what you need to do is look out for the three dot in the top right corner and select that option right there to access the settings of your WhatsApp. So find settings and tap on it, and within settings here you'll be finding different options. So you can basically look out for the option for accessibility within the settings. So scroll down, find the option of accessibility under storage and data and tap on it. And once you do so, here you can directly find the option called animations. You can choose whether stickers and GIFs can move automatically or not. So you can tap on that option right there. And once you do so, you just need to turn on these options for each of them. So if you want your emojis to move, you can turn it on. You can just go and turn this toggle option right here. Same goes for the stickers as well. Turn on the toggle option for this one as well. And even your chips, if you want your chips moving again. So you can just go over and turn this option for this one as well. And once that is done, you can close it up and it should automatically save up the changes. You can just go over to one of the chat available and directly send up a message. So let me just send up a message, let's say an emote. So you can just go over and provide it up and hit send. And when you hit send, you should be finding the animation being provided. You can look out for the particular sticker with animations on it. All the stickers may not have it, so you can just go over and provide it up. And that's it. So therefore, everybody, if you'd also like to go ahead and add animations in WhatsApp stickers, this is the method you can follow up. You can even customize the sticker within WhatsApp. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.